I clearly remember when there was once I asked my friend, "Hey, if you can choose three things in the world to live with, what will you want?" None of them answered food, drinks, or even oxygen. I was shocked when most of them answered, "As long as I have my girlfriend or boyfriend with me, I'm fine." Wow, what a ridiculous answer, you must be thinking. Nowadays, most teenagers think that having a partner is the most important thing. Hi, my name is Orange. Well, let's just talk about three things that I couldn't live with if I don't have them. For me, I think that one of the most important out of three things will be public speaking. Why? I'm a person who loves the stage. I love every time when I go up to the stage and share my speeches. If public speaking is not in the role, then there is only one thing I could fight with the others. To be honest, I only have two things that I'm not bad at. First, public speaking. Second, studies. Well, even if I love studying, there's still some subjects that I hate.
Okay, the items that I can't live without is gadget, family members, and something a basic that water, food, and oxygen. Okay, do you guys can ask what is gadget? Yes, gadget like is a computer, phone, books, and more things. Like example, now we are in online class. If we without a phone, technologies, how we go to online class with to learn? That is something a think.